This was the grandfather didgeridoo because it was a very old piece. That night I had a dream, and in my dream I was in the middle of a desert, and I looked on the side. There was somebody grumbling on a top of a tree, which was very black tree, and there was someone very angry, like a sword fella. Then he suddenly jumped and slapped my cheeks, and I fell down. I didn't understand what he was muttering, but then in my feeling, in the dream, I felt he was saying, "Take good care of it." So in Australian dream time, there's a connection with the ancestors. With that, I want to pay my respect to the ancestors who have preserved this instrument for thousands of years. And so I'd like to offer this evening to the ancestors